Hi friends, good morning. So today we are going to see the E letter words. Can you see? E. Egg. Envelope. Escalator. Elephant. So this is the letter E, capital E and small e. And the sound of E is a. Not a, no, a. Egg. Envelope. Got it? Yes. We are going to do an exciting activity. You want to see that? You are going to love. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round, all through the town. Can you see the bus? Do you like it? Yes, we are going to do the activity with the bus. Can you see something written in this bus? What is this? Ed. What is that? Ed. Oh, now we are going to match Ed words. So children, we have some words. Can you see? Some words over here in the bits of paper. And we are going to paste correctly over the bus. Got it? This is Ed bus. Which bus it is? Ed. We have many buses in this activity. And the first bus is the blue color bus. And the name of the bus is Ed. Let's see what is written here. Wow! I have taken the correct paper. Can you read this? Red. 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 So it finishes with Ed. Can you see what is written here? Ed. Same. So this is correct. So we have to paste this red over here. Come on, let's do. Let's apply some glue on the Ed bus to paste this Ed words. Red. Come on, say. Red. Very good, children. So let's pick up the next check. Okay, let me pick up this orange one. Can you read what is written here? Eat. No. We don't want eat words. We want Ed. So this is not the correct one. No. I have picked the other paper. Can you see? Fed. Wow, this is Ed word. Ed bus. The next word is ready for you. So we have to paste it over here. First one is red and second one is fed. We want 2 more words to finish our Ed bus. Can you see which word I have selected now? B-E-D. Bed. You all have bed in your house, right? You are sleeping on that? Yes. B-E-D. Bed. So, the third word is ready for Ida bus. So, our bus is going to complete now. 1, 2, 3. Only one we want. What is the next Ida word? T-E-D. T-E-D. Ted. Come on, say again. T-E-D. T-E-D. The bus is finished. Can you see? All the windows have set. E-D. Let's check once again. R-E-D. Red. F-E-D. Fed. B-E-D. Bed. And T-E-D. Ted. So we have pasted correctly. Come on, clap yourself. Our bus is ready. So our bus is going to move. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ida bus. Bye-bye. That's all. Who's going to come next? Oh, an yellow color beautiful bus. Wow. It is a double-decker bus. Can you see? There are 2 layers. And which color it is in? Yellow color. What is written over there? What is written on the bus? E-N. Oh, this is E-N bus. E-N. So we have to search E-N words. What are the E-N words? I know. Hen, men, pen. These are all E-N words. Okay, let's find out those words. Are you ready, children? Can you see some words over here? Let's pick up one. I'm going to pick up this one. Can you read what is written? Okay, let's read. Eat. Eat? No. We want E-N. It should finish with E-N. E-N is here? No. E-T is here. Out. So I have chosen a new paper. Can you see? What is written? Ten. Wow, it is an E-N word. Can you see it finishes with E-N? E-N? Yes, same. We are correct. Let's match this E-N over this bus. Very good. Come on, let's do it fast. And the next word, what is this? E-N. Hen. This is also E-N word. So, let's keep it over here. Hen. And the next one. Can you check it, children? P-E-N. Pen. So this is also E-N word. You're right. And we need to paste here also, okay? And the next word. Come on, let's read. D-E-N. Den. Yes, correct. And next E-N word. Men. Super. And the next one is, what is this? K-E-N. Ken. Got it? This is also E-N word. How many we need? The last one. Only one we need. That is here. Let's read Ben. Ben. Wow, wonderful children, wonderful. So our inner bus is ready now. Okay, you also try this activity. Paste all the inner words on the bus so that it looks so beautiful. Can you see the bus? Yay! Super! Thank you, children. Bye bye, inner bus. Okay, let me check once. Okay, let's check very fast if it is correct or not. Okay. T-ina 10. H-ina hen. P-ina pen. D-ina den. Correct. M-ina men. K-ina ken. B-ina ben. Yeah, this is right. So the inner bus is over. Bye bye. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round, all through the town. Surprise! Can you see who has come? A beautiful green color bus. It's a double-decker bus. Can you see? I love it. Wow. Children, are you ready? Shall we paste the windows for eater bus? What is written over here? Eater. Eater means net, set, fet, pet. All eater words should come here. Are you ready? Yes. What is the first one? Just apply some glue and let's paste over here. Read it. S-E-T. Set. And it finishes with eater. Here, eater. Eater word. Eater word. Same. Just correct. You have matched correctly. So the first word, S-E-T, set. The next one, I have kept the next one here. Can you see? You are going to read now. Come on, children. B-E-T, bet. B-E-T, bet. And the next one, what is this? V-E-T, wet. V-E-T, wet. Very good children. And the last word in the first layer is this word. What is this word? P-E-T. P-E-T, pet. Wow, wonderful. So all the eater words of first layer is completed. Set, bet, wet, pet. And the second layer we have to complete now. Are you ready, children? Yes. Can you see what I have? Can you see what I have pasted here? Yes. G-E-T. G-E-T, get. You're right. So we need only 4 more eater words. After get, what I have pasted here? J-E-T. Come on, say children. J-E-T, jet. Have you seen the jet flying over the sky? Yes. J-E-T, jet. And the next one, L-E-T, let. Come on, say children. L-E-T. Let. And next one. Now you have to read. You're going to read now. Read. Na-e-t. Net. Na-e-t. Net. Wow, we are going to finish our green color eater bus. Only one word is left. And that word is here. Ta-da! Finish. Ma-e-t. Come on, say children. Ma-e-t. Met. Ma-e-t. Met. That's all. Our beautiful green color bus is ready. Double-decker bus. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. So our eater bus is also completed. Bye-bye eater bus. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round, all through the town. Wow, wonderful children, wonderful. Thank you so much for helping to find out these words. I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. So today we have learned E set of words. E, a, egg. And what is this bus? A blue color? Eater bus. Eater. Okay. And this one, wow, beautiful yellow color double-decker bus. And the name of the bus is Ina. Super. And the last one, so pretty, green color. What is this? Eater bus. Bye-bye buses. Bye-bye children. See you in the next video.